Today we are cooking cupcakes with Santi. Hey Santi, what are we doing today?
Today we're doing cupcakes.
Yay! What flavor is that? Is that chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate!
You like chocolate?
Yeah.
What stuff do you need to make cupcakes?
I need
The sprinkles?
sprinkles,
Eggs, butter, and the cupcake holders.
Cupcake order. ¿Cómo se llaman esto?
Let's get started.
Yeah.
Santi is putting the cupcake holders into the cupcake molds. What color is that, Santi?
Purple.
That's purple? Do you like purple?
Yep.
What other color are we going to use?
Green.
Green? Show the kids the green one. That's green?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. So while Santi's putting the cupcake holders into the cupcake mold, I'm going to put 1 cup of water. Let's measure it and see. Yep, that's 1 cup. 1 cup of water. 1.5 cup of oil. Vegetable oil. And then 3 eggs. And we will put in their mix and mix it up.
Okay.
Putting in the eggs right now. See, oh! Oh, we don't want a shell in there. You didn't get any shell?
Yep.
Yep. No, I didn't see any shell. Okay, 1 more egg. Just put it right there. 1 more egg. You're gonna put in the 3rd egg and then mix it. Oh, it went everywhere. All over your hands. Ew. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Ew, all gooey. No! No, look at his hands. Look at his hands. Now, let's mix it up. Now that the mix is all done, Santi is getting ready to pour it into the cupcakes. That looks delicious, huh, Santi?
Yep.
That looks really good. Are you excited to eat that?
Yep.
You're gonna put a lot of sprinkles on it?
Uh-huh.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy.
While we were mixing it, the chocolate got everywhere. Got all on me and Santi in the kitchen. It was everywhere. Santi, don't lick that spoon. That's nasty. See, you're putting it back in. Santi gets done with that, it'll be all ready to put in the oven.
Ready, guys, for a minute.
For what?
They're going in now.
I'm gonna let it for their fruit.
We're gonna let them sit for 15 minutes, and then we'll come check up on them. We're taking them out of the oven now. Okay, leaving them ready to cool down. They're ready?
No.
They're all baked already?
Yep. We need to let them cool down.
Yes, we need to let them cool down for 10
Minutes.
to 15 minutes. And then we'll put icing on them. And don't forget the sparkle. Sprinkles. Right now we are in the middle of putting the frosting on. And let's add some
Sparkles.
some sprinkles.
Sparkles. Here's some sparkles.
That looks yummy. Does that look yummy, Santi?
Nope.
No, it doesn't look yummy?
It looks thumb down.
Oh, it's thumbs down? Oh, no. Can we get a thumbs up? Oh, maybe taste it. Taste it. Try that one.
This one.
Try it, try it. Oh, man. Let's taste it.
No, Mama, it's good.
Oh, it's good? Is it a thumbs up? Can we get a thumbs up? Oh, we got a thumbs up. Don't lick your thumb.
All done.
We're all done. That's our final product.
Yeah, it's my done.
Yum.
For cooking with Santi today. Thank you for cooking with Santi. Like more video us fun. Please subscribe. Bye.
Bye, kids. Thank you for
Thank you.
watching.
For watching. Mama.